Welcome to episode 5 of Industrial Edge for Machine Tools. Today I would like to show you a few more apps. We will have a look at the Analyze My Workpiece application's Capture together with Toolpath. So Analyze My Workpiece Capture is running right at the machine on Edge, and Analyze My Workpiece Toolpath is running on a regular Windows PC. That gives you a convenient way to view the data and analyze them. To show you how it all works, I will use the run-in process of a 5-axis milling operation, for which the virtual machining already has been finished. Now I want to transfer this to the real machine. So all you need to do is to run an NC program without the workpiece and record the dataset with Analyze My Workpiece Capture. And we can see here that the high-frequency dataset is being recorded. The recording job now is finished and the file containing the recorded data is ready. You can access the file via the network using Analyze My Workpiece Toolpath. We saw that the axis movement on the real machine was quite jerky, which caused the whole machine to vibrate. That's why I first want to have a look at the conveyor speed. We can clearly see the drop is too sharp in this area. That means we still need to change some settings right at the machine. In other words, adjusting tolerances or define a different NC command that influences the tool speed. At this point, you can make some improvements, record the data again, and then compare it using Analyze My Workpiece Toolpath. You can clearly see that the conveyor speed drops much less in the second recording. That means that the machine axis will move much more smoothly at the end. A more even speed profile means no marks are left on the surface of the component. As a result, we achieved our goal of a production with less machine and components wear.